The number of carbohydrates in a 1 ounce serving of 10 breakfast cereals is listed as follows. We have 55 carbohydrates on one of the cereals, 48, 59, 48, and so on. The last one has 51 grams of carbohydrates. They want you to find the range, mode, median, variance, minimum, maximum, the mean, and the standard deviation. Let's go and find the range. The range, you're going to take your largest number minus the smallest number. So let's go and place them in order. The smallest number we have is 45. The next number is 48. We have another 48. 50. 51. 52. 55, 59, 60, and 60. We should have 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To find the range, you got to take your last number minus the smallest number. So your largest minus the smallest. So therefore your range is 60 minus 45, which is 15. To find the minimum is the smallest number, which is 45. Maximum is the largest number, which is 60. The mode is the one that repeats the most. So in this case, we have 48 repeats twice, and 60 repeats twice as well. So therefore we can have two modes, so it'll be 48 and 60. To find the median will be the number in between, the number in the middle. So we have 45, we have 10 numbers, so there are two numbers in the middle. So therefore we're going to take the average of both numbers. You're going to add them together and divide by 2. So the midpoint will be 50.1, but you can also do it in your calculator. 50 plus 51, and we're going to divide by 2, so 50.5. To find the mean, you're going to have to find the average. We're going to have to add them up and divide it by how many numbers we have. $528 divided by, we have 10 numbers, so therefore it will be 52.8 will be your mean. To find your variance, we are going to take our mean and we're going to round it up, or in this case we're going to round it up to 53. You are going to make a table and we are going to take each of the numbers and find the difference between your mean and each of the numbers. So the difference between 45 and 53 is 8, and you're going to square it, which is 64. You're going to take your mean, 53, and the difference between 53 and 48 is 5, and you're going to square it, which is 25. 53 minus 48 is 5, and you're going to square it, gives you 25. 53 minus 50 is 3. You're going to square it, gives you 9. 53 minus 51 is 2. You're going to square it, gives you 4. 53 minus 52 is 1. You're going to square it, gives you 1. 53 minus 55 is 2. Squared gives you 4. 53 minus 59 is 6. Now, if it gives you negative 6, we just want to keep them positive. Since you're going to use the square, it will always give you a positive number. So in this case, it's 36. 59 minus 60 is 7. You're going to square it, gives you 49. 53 minus 60 is 7 again. You're going to square it, gives you 49. So we should have 10 numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, you are going to take the average of your squares. So your variance, we are going to find the variance first and then the standard deviation. Your variance is the average of those squares. So I'm going to add them up and divide it by 10. 64 plus 25 plus 25 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 36 plus 49 plus 49. 266 and divide by 10. So therefore will be 26.6. That is your variance. To find the standard deviation, you are going to take the square root of your variance. So I'll take the square root of 26.6, and that gives me 5.15, or in this case, we can just run them up to 5.2. And that is your standard deviation. That means that the average distance from your center is about 5 units.